Alright, back with for an update on the old Traverse gear casing. Finally done. She does mesh up with the holes really good. Haven't tried it yet, but I am very hopeful. The measurements all seem to line up quite well. Got her all. This is what came in it. This is I believe out of a 10F series, and this is the one I made before. As you can see, it was only out of a 3-inch or a 2 by 3/8 flat bar. I whittled it out of that, but this one I picked up a piece of 1/2-inch plate. Picked that up at the local welding shop, and as you can see, I just kind of whittled it out of a plate for the most part, and cut it out with the grinder. By the way, don't ever buy this shit. Garbage. If you're gonna be cutting some big metal with a disc, get a good disc. Anyways, yep, everything's good. No slop whatsoever. Nice and tight. And yeah, I'm very hopeful on this one. She meshes up really nicely with the bolt holes in the gear. So sometime today, be running my power feed again. Yeah, that's much better. Much happier with that one. That looks a little more professional than the old farmer job there. Not that I have anything against farmers. Now they feed the world, so kudos for them. Sadly, my only precision instrument is broken. Fell off the bench, and it's kaput. I don't know what I did with the ruler. Oh, it's over here somewhere. Yeah, that's my new. I got some real stuff coming at some point, so that's gonna have to do for the time being. Next week I should have some. Picked up some calipers and a cheapo and a whatchamacallit, cheapo dial indicator. So it's hopefully I can run the 4-jaw chuck, because my 3-jaw chuck is still not very good. Yep, well, I blackened some bolts using my my favoriteest acid, some 5% acetic acid solution, also known as white vinegar. So I plan on I'm going to try to go with the aesthetic value of these old flathead bolts. I might whittle them down a bit, and find a way to cut a slot in there so it at least matches up with the rest of this stuff. I don't like things looking all cockeyed and different, and I had to get rid of those ghastly shiny bolts because they really stood out. I might actually throw this in some vinegar too. See what that should blacken it up nicely. I thought that looked pretty awesome right there. A little bit of oil, very nice finish. Well, anyways, back at her. I'm going to see how she works. Stay tuned. Peace out.